Jainism flourished in Goa during the rule of Kadamba dynasty. Broken sculptures of the Jain Tirthankara Suparshvanatha, belonging to the period of the Goan Kadamba ruler Shivachitta Permadi Dev, were discovered in an old Jain temple in Jainkot. Naroa.Muni Pranamsagar, Digambara Jain ascetic, visited Goa in 2015 and gained 150 new followers. It was the first time for a Jain ascetic to set foot in the state in 1,000 years. The state then became the place for his Chaturmas of the year 2015. There were 864 Jains in Goa according to the 2001 census, 456 male and 408 female. The number increased to 1,109 in 2011 census. Though Goa has a very modest population of Jains today, it was once a hub for the religious sect. The rich cultural heritage of this religion is slowly on its way to oblivion since the government has failed to make any planned efforts to protect it after liberation. Goan Kadamba, Bandavid, Shandar, Kothambite, Naroa are places related with Jainism. All these villages are on river banks. Since ancient times, Goa has been one of the important centers of trade and commerce. During the Kadamba period, rulers rarely opposed other religions and cults, and due to this, Jainism flourished. Chandrakant Mojpadil from Ponda says, once Goa had Jain settlements. The sculptures, temples, inscriptions found in various parts tell us how Jainism flourished here. Most of the vestiges of the Jain heritage are lying neglected now. We have submitted a memorandum recently, as noted in year 2014, to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to take steps for the protection and conservation of these assets of our history. The ancient Jain temple of Kadamba village dedicated to Lord Rishabhanathan was constructed by Gurjara community in 10th century. It went to ruins in 15th century. Broken idols of Tirthankara were discovered during an excavation in 1986 by the Directorate of Archaeology and Archives. Gurjara community also constructed the Jain temple at Narv, Bicholi in 1150 AD. The sculpture of Parshvanatha, the 23rd Tirthankara, was discovered in Hindolwada, Narv. Another ancient Jain temple of 22nd Tirthankara Nemanatha in Bandora, Goa, built by King Sripala. The Kannada inscription discovered in Bandavid of Ponda mentions that King Sripala established this village and built the Jain temple of Nemanath, which is presently in ruins. The idols of Tirthankara were also found in Chandrashma temple in Kothambi village, situated on the right bank of the river Mandovi. Kothambi. Here the sculptures of Kuber, Yakshar, and the broken idol of Tirthankara were lying neglected. The idols of Yakshar and Kuber have been housed at the Goa State Museum, but the idol of Tirthankara is still, as noted on 2014, left unattended to fight the sunlight and rains. The first Jain sculpture, belonging to the early southern Shilahara dynasty, in Salseet, Shandar, was discovered by Father Henry Eros during one of his expeditions.